Alright, we're taking out the Slow and Sear right now. This is the original Slow and Sear, the Slow and Sear 1. There's two Slow and Sears right now. The only difference is the bottom of Slow and Sear number 1 is just, there's no grate there, there's no grill, so it's just completely open, versus number 2. They got a little grate there now welded on down there, and you could also, on Slow and Sear number 2, you could take out the water pan. On this one, it's just welded on there, so I kind of like that. I kind of just wanted the original one just for the one-piece construction. I think it's a little bit more heavy duty. I was checking out some stuff online and different reviews on it. Got some chicken here, just dressing some chicken up, cutting up a little fat here and there, drying out that skin. Gonna season them up a little bit. Got some chili powder, a little salt, pepper. Got some layers of flavor going on. Gonna put these on the grill, on the using the Slow and Sear. Charcoal briquettes. I'm gonna let it go for about half an hour, and then I'm gonna add some wood. Be right back. All right, we got some ginger. Just cutting up a little bit of ginger, slicing that up. Got some onion. Slice some of that up. Peel the skin off, throw it in your fire if you want. Gives it a nice aroma. Garlic. Always want to use garlic whenever you can. Again, we're using the Slow and Sear. Gonna add some wood chunks in there, some oak wood. There's the onion I talked about, little onion skins, onion peels. This is either a jalapeno or a shishatu, kind of like a mild pepper, kind of like a jalapenos. Got the thighs cooking up nice, browning up nice. Yep, nice color. All right, folks. Thanks for stopping by again. See you next time.